In this video, I'll be talking about how to use Pressbooks directory to search for open textbooks. This is the Pressbooks directory homepage. The Pressbooks directory is a repository of online resources created using the Pressbooks authoring and editing software. These resources are predominantly OER and are connected to higher ed institutions who are part of a Pressbooks EDU network. Pressbooks refers to the online software that allows authors and publishers to design and format any kind of book. Pressbooks is used by independent authors, small and medium-sized publishers, and educational institutions around the world. All book formats are produced using templates that are optimized to look great in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. The UTRGV library now provides UTRGV faculty access to the Pressbooks software. You can contact the Scholarly Communications Department of the library if you are interested in accessing your UTRGV faculty Pressbooks account, or if you'd like to learn more about how you can participate in the library publishing project. Links to more information are included in the description below. There are currently over 3,000 books published across 132 Pressbooks EDU networks that you can search on the Pressbooks directory. These books are high quality and look great in many formats. The books may also include interactive H5P activities and other embedded online material. Here on the home page, you'll always see some curated collections and then the search bar and filters. I think their blog at the bottom is also worth checking out. To search for textbooks on the Pressbooks directory, scroll to where it says Find a Book on the home page and type in the subject of interest. The Pressbooks directory searches book metadata, so it's looking at information about the book and not running a full-text search of book content like other repositories may. So when I search abnormal psychology here, the books that pop up have the word abnormal and psychology somewhere in the title, in the tags, or in the description. There are 4 books that fit that search, and see, this Intro to Psych textbook made it in here because they put the word abnormal in their description and the word psychology in the title. If you want an exact search for a phrase, put quotation marks around the words. See, now that Intro to Psych book is not included. If you want more results, use a less descriptive search. My psychology search has 132 results. You can adjust the order in which results appear here, and you can also mess with the filters to the left of the page. Maybe you only want to see psychology books written in English with at least one H5P activity here. You can also search by subject. The check means the tag will be included, and the X means those titles will be excluded from a search. Here you can see all the facet filters you're using, and you can clear them here. Sometimes I just like to retype the URL to be sure it's fresh. With some subjects, you have to be extra specific. Like if you're looking for language learning books, you will have to specify that you're looking for the language as a subject and not as the translation language. For example, when I search English, I get 3,500 results. That doesn't seem right. Using the filters, I can specify that I want English to be one of the subject tags, or I can modify my search terms to be more specific. The same applies to a Spanish search. You need to specify whether you're looking for a book about Spanish or a book written in Spanish. I just activated the filter for books written in Spanish, and if we scroll down a bit, we'll see a book authored by UTRGV faculty, which is one of 11 Spanish language books in the Pressbooks directory at this time. The book card we see here displays available information about the book. Under the cover image, you'll see a set of icons that convey additional information. This icon indicates the copyright license selected for the work, either all rights reserved, public domain, or one of the Creative Commons licenses. This icon indicates whether this is the parent book or a derivative. When this square is filled, it's the original, and when this one is filled, it's a derivative of some other work. This book here has the H5P logo, which means the book contains interactive H5P elements like quizzes or flashcards. Clicking a book's title or cover will take you to the book's homepage. Here you'll see the title, authors, and description. This may look familiar to you if you've ever used other OER repositories, because a lot of the books on those other sites were created using Pressbooks. You can use this drop-down box to select the book format, but I like to read online. Here's the inside of a book. You can navigate using the arrows to the left and right on the bottom, or with this drop-down box of chapters and units. This book has a lot of activities and some embedded video content. Pressbooks directory is especially helpful when working on an OER project of your own through the Pressbooks authoring and editing software that's available to UTRGV faculty. You can be trained to use this repository to remix current open textbooks or use their H5P activities for your own work. When students use textbooks found on Pressbooks, they can create and save notes and highlights using the free Hypothesis web annotation tool. To use that, they would just have to go to this site and create an account and then access it here while they read the book. It should save their notes and highlights. In summary, the Pressbooks directory is a great resource for finding quality online and often interactive textbooks for your courses. You may also want to make use of your UTRGV faculty Pressbooks profile for a publishing project of your own. It's a great resource. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like help searching for OER for your course, you can reach out to the library or fill out an OER request form at utrgv.libguides.com/OER.